tourmaline necklace.
What does that do?
If I press this button, it activates an unbearably painful jolt directly into their brains.
Oh, that's cruel, no?
Is the point, yes?
You need to
Right.
get your shirt off. Your wounds need cleaning. So, with the remote, you control them.
Hypothetically, they haven't proven themselves to be extraordinarily obedient.
And the skeleton man, Dr. Phosphorus?
Yeah,
He tried to kill you to get it.
yeah.
Boże mój. Quite a team,
I promise, Ilana. I'll get these folks under control and I'll keep you safe. Don't worry.
You're such a kind man. That is so rare here in Pokolistan. I suppose tonight was not your first battle.
No.